Excellency Nyai Haja Ulil Asmi Dewi Hafsah as the head of Raudatul Mujawidin and her family, may Allah always bless them. Respectable to Kiai Haji Ansor Wijaya Subakir Al-Badawi Al-Hafid as the head of Madrasah Muallimin Muallimat and his family, may Allah always bless them. Honorable to all of teachers of Madrasah Muallimin Muallimat and unforgettable to all of my friends whom I love. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Pepi Sapitri. I come from the target of Mel of Madrasah Muallimin Muallimat. Okay, here I will presentation my imagination map. The title is Matan Woyah Watakurib. This book is Al-Alamah Syekh Imam Abi Suja. Okay, we'll enter the first chapter, Kitabut Thaharati. As for this is title, explain about Taharah. There are 7 water that can be purified. The first, rainwater, sea water, river water, well water, source water, snow water, and cool water. There are 4 kinds of water. The first, mutlak water, hot water, mustamal water, and najis water. The first water, mutlak water is holy water that can be purified, that isn't macro. The second, hot water is holy water that can be purified, but it's macro to use. Mustamal water is water that has been mixed with another things. The fourth, najis water is water that falling something is like curses and another. And created of this book is Darul Kitab Al-Islamiyah. Okay, maybe just it. If you found many mistakes, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your Excellency Nyai Haji Ulil Asmi Dewi Hafsah as the head of Raudatul Mujawidin, respectable Kiai Haji Muhammad Ansor Wijaya Subakir Al-Badawi as the headmaster of Madrasah Muallimin Muallimat, and honorable to the all of teacher of Madrasah Muallimin Muallimat. Okay, here I will explain about Matan Goyah Watakrib, which is created by Syekh Al-Alamah Imam Abi Suja, about chapter Taharah. There are 7 places of water which can be purified. There are rainwater, sea water, river water, shore water, well water, snow water, and the last is cold water. And the first is mutlak water, the second is hot water, the third mustamal water, and the fourth is najis water. The first is mutlak water. The mutlak water is water that holy, it can be purified, it's not macro. The example, if we use the water by with well water. The second is hot water. Hot water or musyamas water is the water that holy, it can be purified, but it is macro. The example, if we put the water under the sun, then we use it for purified, it is macro. And the third is mustamal water. Mustamal water is the water holy, but it's not, but it cannot for purified. The example is the water have mixed with something holy. Example is the holy water mixed by the milk, it's become mustamal water. And the last is najis water. Najis water is cannot for purified, because something holy that's get mutanajis. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your Excellency Nyai Haja Ulil Asmi Dewi Hafsah as the patron of Raudatul Mujawidin. Honorable to Kiai Haji Ansor Wijaya Subakir Al-Badawi Al-Hafid as the headmaster of Madrasah Muallimin Muallimat. And honorable to all of my teacher and unforgettable to my parent. Here my name is Rehan Ramadan. I will explanation about my imagination map. About kitab tak matan goya waca kerip read by Al-Alamah Syekh Abi Suja. Here I will explain about Kitab Toharoh chapter Miyah. The water, there are seven types. The first is rainwater, seawater, river water, snow water, source water, well water, and snow water. And there are four kinds of water. The first is holy and purified. The water that holy and purified is like mutlak water. Mutlak water is the water that there isn't the koyit. And then the second is purified but makruh to use. The example is musyamas water. Water is the water that hot by the sunlight. And the third is holy and not purified. The example is musamal water. Musamal water is the water that has contained anything. And the last is najis water. Najis water is the water that less than sekulah and contain the najis thing, or the water that more than sekulah but has changed the characteristic because the najis thing. Okay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ilham Maulana. I come from Dharmasraya. Now I'm in the third grade of Madrasah Muallimin Muallimat of Rodatul Mujahidin. I will presentation my subject about Abi Suja. Abi Suja is created by Al-Alamah Syekh Imam Abi Suja. In this classic book, there are many chapters. Now, I will discuss about the first chapter, that is Kitab Taharati. Water that be allowed to purification. There are seven. The first, rainwater. The second, seawater. The third, river water. The fourth, source water. The fifth, well water. The sixth, snow water. The seventh, and cold water. Water that is divided to be four types. The first, mutlak water. Mutlak water is water that that we use to purifying. The second is hot water. Hot water is water that can be purified, but it's makruh. The third is mustamal water. Mustamal water is water that have mixed with another things. The fourth is najis water. Najis water is water that have mixed with mutanajis things. Okay, that's from me. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.